Hi there! So I haven't vlogged in a hot second and I'm just doing exciting things for once during quarantine over the next 24 hours. So I thought I'd whip out the vlog camera, the good old vlog camera. I had quite an eventful morning, which I wasn't expecting. Kelsey Ballerini is putting out a new stinking album. Can you believe? I am truly excited about it. And I just uploaded my reaction to her song Club, so you can go check that out on this channel if you're into that. I am freaking out and I can't form sentences, but that's okay. Anyway, in about an hour and a half, I'm taking a class, a virtual class. How me is this? I love Michael's craft store. Like, that is my favorite place to go, especially during quarantine. It's been really nice to just be creative, try new crafts that I normally wouldn't try, and just get that creativity out. So anyways, I watched this YouTuber called Drew. His name is Drew. You might know him as a Lone Fox. He is, you know, a DIY YouTuber, an icon, a really cool person I wish I was best friends with, maybe one day. He's hosting a class with Michael's to make a wreath. This is the wreath we're supposed to make. We'll see how mine comes out. So today I went to Michael's and I bought all this stuff and I'm gonna set it up and I'm so excited. So I have that in like an hour and a half and then I have piano later and then I just wanna have like a chill night. Tomorrow, more crafting because Liv is coming over and we're gonna socially distance tie-dye. So that's basically a summary of what this video is. So I'm gonna set all this up now so in an hour and a half we can just turn on the class and be ready to go. Hi Ollie. I know, you wanna help. I know, you're such a good dog. Who knows a dog who wants to help out with arts and crafts like you? No one. Like that one. It's yellow. Do they smell good? No. Okay, so this is all my supplies. I had to get a glue gun. We don't have a glue gun anymore, but I got that one. Pretty cheap. I was expecting to pay a lot of money, but we'll see how long it lasts. Ollie, it's not a toy. Anyways, so these are the loops. I don't know if I want a 14-inch or a 19-inch. I don't know. I hope I have enough flowers. We'll see how all this goes, but we're all set up. This paper is just to protect the table, but you ready, kid? Kelsey tweeted me. She watched my reaction video. I freak out every time she tweets me, but it's still so cool. Oh my god. So I tweeted, my love of Kelsey Ballerini's song #club just amplified times 1,000. Watch my reaction into the new version here. And I posted my little thumbnail. How cute, me gasping. And she said, quoted me. She quoted me. I almost relate to it more now, which I do. I said it in my video. I think I relate to Club so much more now. Is the entire reason I did this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love Kelsey. The way she interacts with her fans is unlike any other artist and she's just so cool. Like, she makes everyone feel so special. I don't know how she does it. Oh my god. Wow. That is like the coolest thing ever. Ah! Oh my god, I'm sweating.
Hi everyone, it is Drew here from Lone Fox, and today we are going to be creating this. I love this. I feel like it's very like a modernized version of like just a fall wreath. You know, I feel like
So the class just ended and this is how my wreath turned out. Ooh, ooh. So I like it, but Ollie loves it. Aries, do you like it, pup? Do you like it, puppy? It's not as full as I thought it was gonna be. Like, it's fine, but I feel like it could be so much more, you know? So I might go grab some other things and add it on to it. Good morning, good morning. Does anything ever come out of your mouth and you're like, why? I feel like days I get dressed and get ready as if we're not in this pandemic, I'm more productive. So, newsflash, I'm not really good at makeup. Do do do, sweet tea in the summer, Cross your heart, won't tell me. Wow, groundbreaking makeup tutorial. It was 3 minutes and 53 seconds. So I cut 9 inches off my hair recently. That was like a fun thing I did. It is the thickest hair you'll like ever feel in your life, and I just really like the idea of donating it because I have so much of it and I would love to give it to someone who would use it and want it. So yeah, I try to donate when I can, and yeah, 9 inches. But now, so I cut it because I don't want to be under a blow dryer trying to blow dry a ton of hair like that in the summer, especially during the pandemic when like there's literally like nothing going on and I'm not like going anywhere. So when my hair was long, it would literally just be like tangled grossness and I had to cut it off. But now what I'm dealing with is like, this won't go up in a pony. See how it's like all falling? Like I can get it in a low pony, but it's just like on my neck a lot, and it's I'm thankful it's getting like cooler out now because I just like the heat in my hair. It's just like ugh. But I do like that I can curl it wicked fast, and like it's whatever. Some days I don't even do anything to it. Oh yeah, I'm curling with a straightener. You know, it's a good hack to learn. Yeah, listen, I'm no like hair expertise. I am really good at hair though, TBT to my old hair Instagram. But whenever you're buying things like this, straightener, curler, whatever, always make sure it's ceramic, because if it's metal, it's going to fry off your hair. I feel like not a lot of people know that. Just make sure you do that for your pretty little locks of hair. I went back to Michael's. Is anyone surprised by that? All right, this is what I got. I got this cute little thing to put, look at Ollie, on the shelf, along with this little pumpkin. Oh my god, chill, Ollie, chill. This little pumpkin. And then I got these little leaves. They were dirt cheap, 40% off. This little pumpkin for the wreath. What do you think? Yeah, so cool. I got this command hook to put it on our front door because I think the wreath needs some more orange. So hopefully that will fill it up a bit. I kind of think fall is Ollie's favorite season. I think that's what we're getting at here. He like loves all this fall stuff every time I bring it home. Yes, there is still a pandemic and I do wipe down everything I bring into this house. Want to show the vlog the final product? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I added more to it. I just think it looks so much more full, so full of color. I kind of wish I positioned the pumpkin different. It's kind of awkward in my opinion, but whatever. In total, I would say that project cost me like $30. Ollie is like, Ollie, are you obsessed with your little scarf? Your little fall scarf? Ollie, is fall your favorite season? Wagging your tail? Yeah. Okay, Liv should be here soon. So I thought I'd just get a little set up, show you what I'm gonna be tie-dyeing today. I love tie-dyeing. A lot of people struggle with tie-dyeing, but I don't know if it's just because I've been doing it since I was like a kid. But I love it. So I got this. I think I got it from Michael's. I know Walmart has it, Joann's I bet has it, but tie-dye has been sold out everywhere. If you've tried to get tie-dye this year, everyone's doing it while they're home. So this pack comes with so many colors. Now I'm in ecstasy. Like, look how many colors there are. Oh shoot. All right, the Swifties who are subscribed to me, you might be shocked, but my Cruel Summer shirt, I stained the front of it. It actually has a couple stains. So I thought I'd try to tie-dye it pink. I don't know, it's yellow and not white. I hope the dye will take to it. My girl shirt, my Maren Morris girl shirt. Yeah, white is just hard. It has a couple little stains. I don't know. I feel like I'll wear it more if it has some tie-dye. We'll see, we'll see. And then these shorts, these poor little shorts. I don't know how this happened. I don't know how I bleached it by accident because I never touched bleach. But I'm gonna try to bleach dye these. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. And then I got this shirt. Where did I get this from? Old Navy. It was $3. This like workout shirt. And then, you're gonna be shook. Freaking overalls. I'm gonna tie-dye these. It's gonna look sick. I don't know what color to do yet. I'm gonna see what color Liv thinks I should do, but that's the plan. Okay, the queen herself is here. Liv is here.
Hello everyone, hi YouTube.
Okay, so give us a rundown what you're tie-dyeing.
So first up, I'm gonna tie-dye my college graduation dress because I've worn it several times as the white look and it needs a revamp.
It's so pretty, Liv.
I know, isn't it cute?
The little lace.
I think it would be cute if I did like pinks.
Yeah.
Then I got these white sweatpants off of Amazon.
Love.
They have a pocket, which is nice.
You need a
I
pocket.
have a sweatshirt that I cropped. I have ideally like a matching sweat set.
Nice.
And then a fun and flirty, like cool for the summer look.
Oh my god, perfect. Okay. Yes, tie-dye.
It's just 1,000 cuts.
Wow, look at this shot. COVID friendly.
Ollie! Hello, my gorgeous dog.
Like, hi lady.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Me, I'm not gonna do lover colors. Does lover colors. They came out good for the most part. This is one workout top. Look at that coloring. Look at it. Liv actually dyed this one. My Cruel Summer shirt. Bam! Look at that twist. Look at that twist. Okay. The shorts that I bleach dyed. I don't know. I feel like these are gonna turn into like night bedtime PJ shorts because I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm gonna re-dye this one because it looked so good when we dyed it, but we like used leftover dye. Like the container that the dye was in, we just added more water when there wasn't more dye. So it was kind of looking pastel-y and it came out, you can't even really see it on camera. I mean, you can't really see it in person either, but after I washed it, it just rinsed all the color out. So I might do it again. My overalls. Boom! How cute. How cute. Just what a summertime fit, you know? I definitely will be rocking these all next summer. Liv sent me a little video of how hers came out, and here they are.
I really like the way they came out, right, kitty? Oh, you're so cute. He looks up green like the devil.
It is challenging to find out how to socially distance, hang out with people, but I'm figuring it out. Tie-dye is such a stand far away from me, let's be outside activity, and I'm really trying to soak in those outdoor activities while I can before it gets cold here. So if you have any more ideas for outdoor activities with social distance involved, comment them below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.